Black Widow motorcycle carrier, the SMC 600R, 600-pound capacity to carry this bad boy right here. So I got a trip coming up. I'm going down to Georgia. I'm gonna be hitting up Blood Mountain, Hog Mountain, some other couple places down there. Going to visit some family, and I get to take the bike with me, which is nice. And I wanted to get a trailer, but just timing and everything, I didn't get a chance to find a good trailer. So I thought this would be good to put on the back of my truck and to bring the bike down with me. So I'm gonna put this thing together and we'll give it a try and see how it works out. So here's everything that came in the box. A couple things had some scratches on it. Like here, it's all scratched up. The ramp looks decent. You can see in the box here too, it's all scratched up. And they packaged it with styrofoam and stuff. You think it would be protected, but look here too. Looks like maybe it was used before. Not the best quality, but what can you expect for a low budget? There's a Black Widow kit. I mean, a lot of reviews out there on these, but you get what you pay for. Hopefully I don't lose my bike, but stay tuned. I'll put it together and we're gonna try it out. All right, so I got all the tools together. We got 3/4, 11/16, 19 millimeter, 13 millimeter wrench and socket. Spread out all the different size nuts and bolts that you got. All right, now it's time to put this bad boy together. All right, so I got it all put together. Didn't take too long, maybe 30 minutes or so. The instructions that come with it are kind of vague, but definitely seems used. There's tire marks on the friggin' ramp. The loading ramp's got some scratches. The frame has some scratches. I'm definitely gonna be contacting Amazon and the seller, figure out why they sent me a used product. But seems well made, solid steel, it's pretty heavy. So we'll get it put on the truck and load the bike and see how it goes.